The main mission of the Origins project here at ASU is to bring together creative thinkers about every aspect of human origins, be they anthropological, social, biological, or indeed physical.
The Origins project is really designed to look at foundational questions that range over all of the forefront areas of human intellectual inquiry. We bring together individuals from a wide variety of disciplines, not just from physics, but biology, paleontology, economics, genomics, and we look at what commonalities exist to look at new ways to solve problems.
I don't think there's anywhere else in the world that is combining these kinds of topics this way. Here the concept has been, let's break down walls and let's put people together in groups so that there aren't these value judgments and that there aren't these artificial divisions, but people are really connecting with questions across the disciplines.
The central departments that are working on this include physics, the School of Earth and Space Exploration, the Biodesign Institute. It spans basically the full spectrum almost of interdisciplinary research centers here at ASU. The Cosmology Center brings together observers as well as theoretical astronomers, but also particle physicists and theorists, because understanding the universe involves looking at the very small scales as well as the very largest scales. And it has been involved in helping organize with the Origins project a variety of forefront meetings. We're working on a project looking at how you could use signals from astronomy, from the very early universe, to address some fundamental problems in theoretical physics. The question is gravity a quantum theory?
There is great interest in trying to integrate our theories of gravity more closely with our theories of other interactions which are absolutely dominated by quantum mechanics. Lawrence and I wrote a paper showing that there is potentially one signature of the quantization of gravity, where quantum mechanics would be really important in gravity. That is a signal produced by quantum fluctuations during the Big Bang.
Physics is really central to both the Origins project and to the School of Earth and Space Exploration. One of the center pieces of what we do here is missions to look at other planets and to understand our solar system, our galaxy, and our universe. We are directly trying to understand these processes and these questions, not just through theory, but through instrumentation and space missions themselves. The Origins project connects with the School of Earth and Space Exploration not only by sharing faculty, but by running these workshops and inviting us to ask these questions and get together with other people and really grapple over them.
The Biodesign Institute is an institute composed of faculty from many departments that go all the way from physical science through to medicine. More broadly, understanding the physics of living systems, in other words, how life works as a physical object, is one of the focus of many of the scientists at the Biodesign Institute and of course in the Origins project. We have a project that's funded by the NIH and by Roche, the pharmaceutical company, to sequence DNA molecules by measuring the quantum mechanical tunneling of electrons through DNA bases. Now, work like this would be almost impossible to carry out in a traditional physics department. It requires a lot of physical chemistry, a lot of biochemistry, and even an appreciation of the medical aspects of DNA sequencing. This is something that we simply could not do in a single department setting, and yet the Biodesign Institute has become the focus of this kind of research. Mixing the disciplines like this is going to be really the future of most types of research.
What I personally find most exciting about the Origins project is that it gives me a chance to step back from focusing on the minutiae to look at the broader picture. And that's incredibly energizing and exciting for me as a researcher.
The fact is that, like every other kind of endeavor, this is an endeavor of humans. And the way we work best is in communities where we know each other.
Visionary leadership that's open-ended, that keeps innovating in terms of the structure, that is well supported at the highest levels of the university.
The questions that we're looking at are so cutting edge that it's not clear where the answers will come from. And it really benefits from different points of view.